See, as I have already mentioned, okay, creating account with the social media platforms needs some basic informations. Okay, in the previous sessions I have told you, you need to have your logo, you need to have your cover photo, you need to have your contact email address, your phone number, your website, your bio description, and all these details ready made somewhere, okay, on a folder or using a Google document sheet, so that okay you update the same information across all the platform and there is no inconsistency in the information, okay, that we upload. So basically once you have those data, okay, I think I have those details written here, right, the requirements. Okay, so if you look into this one, okay, you need to make sure that you have these details available with you before you go ahead and create any account with the social media platforms. Okay, so if you look into this one, creating an account with the social media platforms, okay, I'm going to handle it in a single window, okay, basically, which means like in a single shot. Okay, so once you have all this information, okay, what you need to do, okay, if you are a person who is very slow in nature, go Google, start searching for, okay, steps to create Facebook account, right? So do this. Now you can come down and preferably go to the you know official page of the particular service you are trying to create. For example, you go here, you open the service page from Facebook, okay, and this talks about how to create a Facebook account step by step. You can see here, right? So it says go to facebook.com and click on create a new account option, and it asks you to enter your name, your email address, your mobile number, and a preferred password of your choice, and date of birth and gender. Okay, then after doing all this stuff, so you click on sign up. So why I'm not demonstrating, because I already have an account with Facebook. So when I click to open this link, my account will open with my information logged in. So obviously I cannot demonstrate creating a new account for you. Okay, so click on sign up. So to click or creating your new account, you have to go to your Gmail account or your mobile number, and you have to confirm you are the owner of the email. Okay, now so this is the process where you simply go ahead and create an account. And once you create an account, okay, it is very very important that you update your profile completely. Okay, right, you update your profile completely. Updating a profile is a very important aspect. The reason, because when somebody is trying to find out your profile, okay, and if your profile is incomplete, they may be suspicious and they may not be connecting with you. Or when you are sending a friend request to somebody else, they may be suspicious and they may not be connecting with you. Okay, so this is the problem. So you need to make sure wherever you go, you have to update your profile. Okay, the complete profile. So this is with respect to creating your Facebook account. Okay, the same thing goes to, okay, Facebook, Twitter. Let me go with the Instagram. Okay, now how do you create an Instagram account? Okay, there is an article which talks about help, I mean creating Instagram article under the help.instagram.com. See, if you pay attention, okay, I went to the website of facebook.com and I went to the website of instagram.com to create account with Instagram and Facebook. So I'm following the instructions and guidelines given by the respective product owners. So by this way, I may not be cheated or I may not be taken to a different website which may have a adware, malware, or any other virus being installed in my computer. Okay. So having been said this, okay, this is how we will be able to create it in an Instagram account. Okay. So what do they say? Instagram app for Android and iPhone is available. Instagram is available for your computer. It is also available for your browser. Okay, so from a mobile browser. So there are three different techniques that you can access Instagram with. Number one is you have to install the Android or iOS application. So you go to, you take your smartphone. If you have iPhone, go to the App Store, and if you have an Android phone, go to the Play Store. Okay, and search for the Instagram application, and this is how you will be seeing the icon. Okay, the app will be installed. Once installed, so click open the application. Now there will be an option which talks about sign up with email or phone number. Okay, or it will be talking about create a new account on iPhone On Android phone it will talk about sign up with email or phone number. Okay, then enter your email address and the phone number which requires a confirmation after entering it, and you can go ahead and use it. So alternatively, without using your phone number or email address, if you already have a Facebook account created, you can log in to Instagram using the existing Facebook account login. Okay, so we basically call this one as a social login. Not only with Instagram, okay, with any other services out there, there are lots of services which takes the advantage of social login. Okay, once you have a Facebook account created, you can use the same account to log into all other social media platforms also. Okay, now after registering, you can go over and create a username and a password for yourself. And very important step, fill out your profile. Okay, so you have to fill your profile information with the photo, with the bio description, your cover photo, logo, and all the stuff. So this is with respect to create an account with Instagram application on your Android phone or okay iPhone. You can also create it from your computer by visiting Instagram.com, where you'll be having an option to sign up and create a username and proceed with it. Okay, you will be able to do this. You can see these results as the image results out here. Okay, where it says like on an Android phone. Okay, where you can go ahead and click on this. I think this is for iPhone, where you have to go ahead and click a new account. This is with respect to Instagram, again on the browser or the smartphone. Okay, you can also create an account from a desktop computer. Okay, I think I can in PC. Okay, so in a computer also it shows like this, and you can go ahead and create account with Instagram. Okay, this is the basic thing with respect to creating an account in Instagram. Okay, Facebook. Then we will try to give create account with the Twitter. Okay, so these are some images to create account with Twitter. If you know to create account with the Facebook, you can also create an account with the Twitter. Okay, not only with the Twitter, you can go out and create an account with any other services available in the market. Okay, now if you see here, this is what is going to talk about Twitter. Now this is the official website of Twitter. So join the public conversation on Twitter. So how to sign up for Twitter and create a new account. Okay, so they have several guidelines. Okay, tips for picking a username. Okay, so here is the account. So get a preview of what is happening. Twitter.com. Use the sign up button to get started, and that's it. Submit your details and everything will be done. Okay, so the same way, go to Facebook, go to Instagram, go to Twitter. Okay, and you can also go to LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn also has official guidelines. So every company will have official guidelines on what to do with their product. Okay, so if you go here, so go to, there is a section called LinkedIn sign up page. Okay, simply click open this. It will take you to a page. Okay, because I have already logged in, it will take to my own account. Okay, if you are first time you are accessing this, okay, it will ask you to create an account. Okay, now type your first and last name, email address, and password you will use, and just proceed with it to create an account with LinkedIn. Okay, now you want to create an account with YouTube. Okay, so Google says create an account on YouTube. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so you have to visit youtube.com. Okay, and in the right side corner click on sign in and click create account. And if you are creating account for yourself, you can create it with your name, or if you are trying to create for a business requirement, you have to create a channel with a branding of your business. Okay, this is on your computer. You can also create an account on an Android platform. You can also create account with iPhone or iPad. So based on the gadgets you use, you have to go ahead and create an account with this. So in all the account creation places, you are going to click on the sign up button. You are going to leave your email address or a phone number. After signing up with your name and a username and a password, then you are required to completely fill your profile information. Okay, this is mandatory. Okay, so with respect to YouTube, okay, so we have taken the major platform: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. Now creating account with Pinterest. Okay, let us see how to create account with the Pinterest account. That's it. Obviously you get, so there is a live wire option available, there is a sprout social available. Can you see help.pinterest account? So we always have to go to the official website. The reason, because if there's a change in the product, in the screen or in the interface, the official website will be updated for sure, definitely. However, a blog or a website may not be updating it, so we may end up seeing outdated content at times. So it is a brilliant idea to make sure that you get into the official websites of each and every product where you are trying to create an account. Okay, so if you have a personal account or create a business account, enter your email ID password. Okay, so go ahead and create account simply by following these steps given below. Okay, so the step-by-step instruction will help you to create an account. If you are not a tech savvy, or if you are not a person who is technically strong, or you are new to internet or computer, you have to go search for it, and you can go ahead and click on the respective informations. Simply follow them to create your own account, right? Remember, once you have created account, you have to go to your account, okay, and preferably make sure you have your profile information filled. Okay, so this is the name I have. Okay, so this is the logo I use for me. So this is the online digital marketing trainer title of my account. Okay, at amudhakumar.com, my profile is filled and my details are available, and I am occasionally being participating in this. Now this is with respect to Pinterest. Okay, now when I go to Facebook, okay, so I can go to facebook.com. Okay, automatically it will take to my Facebook account, and this account will have information about me. Okay, so basically if I go here and click on this icon, okay, it will take to my personal profile. Okay, you can actually see the complete profile information being filled. Okay, and you can go to Instagram. Okay, so click on Instagram. You have to log in with your existing account. Okay, so not now. Okay, so if I go to the Instagram profile here, okay, and my ID is this. Okay, so you can see I have my ID, I have my profile pic updated, I have my description updated. Okay, and if you go ahead and check out my personal profile also, it will be updated. Okay, now this is with respect to Twitter. Okay, so go ahead to twitter.com. Okay, again the account with Twitter is created. I can go ahead and check out my profile, and you will be able to see my profile information like my date of birth. Okay, when did I join Twitter. Okay, and my cover photo. Okay, my logo. All these profile informations are available. Okay, the same thing goes with the LinkedIn. Okay, so once you go ahead and click on LinkedIn. Okay, so here it is. I go ahead and click on my ID. Right. Okay, so here is where I am updating these details. So Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, in all the places, you have to go out and create an account. While creating the account, you have to feed your email address, your first name, last name, the preferred username, and the password. After giving that, okay, you will be required to validate the email address by receiving a verification link to your email or a OTP to your smartphone number. Okay, whenever you want to create account with all this platform, you should undergo this process. Okay, once account is created, okay, you have to go ahead and update the profile information. Okay, whatever we have discussed here, you need to make sure that you go ahead and update your profile information on the platforms, so that when people try to explore your profile, okay, your profile looks genuine and people can easily identify, oh, he is the person whom I'm trying to connect with. Okay, so that's one of the easy or technique to use this one. Okay, basically, so once you have created account with all these services, automatically, okay, under the website section you will be adding your website. Now Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all these websites will have a backlink giving to your website. That is the first success rate. Okay, all the social media platforms are giving a link to your website. Okay, if you see here, Okay, so this is my account with respect to LinkedIn. Okay, and when I check out my complete profile, okay, and see my contact details, is there any website section here? Okay, okay, under this one. Okay, so I have linked to my institute, I have linked to a website of my own. Okay, my technical blog. Okay, so where this link will be going to my website. The same thing goes to the Twitter. See, I linked to my amudhakumar.com. Okay, so one link goes to amudhakumar.com, and I go to the Instagram. See, I'm linking to my amudhakumar.com, and I go to my Facebook. Okay, in my profile also. I don't know why Facebook is taking time to load. Okay, so once I have created all these social media platforms, okay, what will I do? I will go to my website of amudhakumar.com. Okay, and from my website, I will be linking to all the social media platforms. Okay, from my website, I will be linking to all the social media platforms. You see here, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Okay, so now when the search engine spider comes, crawls my website, and if it finds that the website amudhakumar.com contains links to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, okay, in all these platforms, now the search engine spider will know, oh, this guy is present in all these platforms, so he might be a famous person, a visible person. Okay, because he is available in social media platform, and how actively he is participating in the social media platform is the greatest signal for those. Okay, so once you have created an account with all these platforms, we have to go ahead and we have to be active on these accounts and platforms. Okay, so creating account is the basic necessary step. You can create an account using a computer or using an Android or iPhone. Okay, so it's a way to go by creating all the social media platforms, and the next step is to start promoting the content.